I'd like to welcome back with us today just a long-standing member of the South Orange County Community College District, Marcia Milchiker. And Marcia, we were thinking you've been coming on our show for 20 years or more,
yeah,
right?
many years.
Yeah.
As a matter of fact, before I was elected, my very first election, I heard that the EMERITUS Institute was being threatened locally and statewide, and I said, I'm going to fight this. I've met people in the community that said they love the EMERITUS Institute. It means everything to them. So I said, I'm going to fight this. I'm going to save the EMERITUS Institute. I got elected, and then I got to work, and we did save the EMERITUS Institute.
Yeah.
We brought delegations of people to all the hearings up and down the state, and we said how it saves people's minds, it saves people's bodies. It's a low-cost way of keeping people healthy and keeping them out of nursing homes. And in the long run, because it's preventative medicine, it saves statewide money. It saves taxpayers money.
So you've done some great work over the years. And how many years have you been a trustee?
I almost hate to say it because the first time I say it, people yell term limits, you know.
Yes.
but I was first elected in 1985, so it's a very long time. I'm the oldest living trustee.
I hear it. That's like a book title or a movie title right there.
I know.
Well, we got a lot.
I love the colleges and I love my job, and I'm not a masochist. I do it because I love it. I love the students.
I know you do.
I love everything about it.
And you're a student yourself.
And I'm a student myself. I got my AA. I did have a master's degree in biology, and I taught biology at Santa Ana College. But I got my AA in Spanish at Saddleback College about 10 years ago, something like that. And so after I've never missed a commencement, so I've been to 90 commencements at Saddleback College and Irvine Valley College. I've got perfect attendance at the commencements. So after shaking thousands of students' hands at the commencement, I finally got to shake my own hands when I got my AA degree in Spanish at Saddleback College. And as a bonus, I can, speak Spanish. So that's
fantastic.
Really great. Yeah.
You serve Area 5, but as we know, the district, the trustees are trustees at large, but you all have certain areas that you kind of look over, and we got that information up there. But a lot of stuff we want to talk about today, excuse me, in the next slide, that about the nursing program there. And I've known about this because I've known you for years and how great, in general, many of the community colleges are when it comes to nursing programs.
Yeah, the nursing programs are really excellent. And a number of years ago, Saddleback College Nursing Program was the #1 nursing program in the nation because 100% of our students passed the national nursing exam.
Wow.
And then this year, it was announced by one of the organizations that Saddleback College Nursing Program is #2 in the nation. So that's very, very exciting. And if you go to any of the hospitals, the local hospitals, Saddleback Hospital, Mission Hospital, Hogue, I mean, they're all great hospitals. They're all our hospitals. So many of the nurses got their training at Saddleback College.
Yeah.
And to get training at Saddleback College, first of all, they used to have a waiting list, so there was like a 5-year waiting list to get into the program. Now they admit the students on merit, so they only take the best students. And the students have to take physiology, anatomy, chemistry. They have to take all those prerequisites just to get into the program.
Wow.
And it's very rigorous. I think I've never missed a nurse pinning ceremony when they get their final pin to become a nurse. And they really get rigorous training, and they don't graduate unless they really can pass all their clinical
That's
they call them
amazing.
clinics in the various hospitals. They go to orthopedic. They have all the different clinics in the hospitals, and they learn all about all the different disciplines, and then they can specialize if they want to after they graduate from the nursing program.
Is a nursing program, does someone have to take, can they go right from high school to the nursing program, or they have to take prerequisite courses first?
They can try to apply to get right into the nursing program from high school if they'd like to, but they have to have prerequisites. So they have to have chemistry, biology.
Okay.
Yeah, so if they've taken those, let's say they've taken those in AP classes or in their classes in high school, they could apply to get into the nursing program.
Okay, so that's good to know. If people are watching, their grandkids are in high school right now, want to take the nursing program, make sure that they look ahead and get some of those prerequisites out of the way.
Yeah, that's a really good idea. I know what happened to me is I got my undergraduate degree in biology with a minor in art, so I really had a great time in college, but I didn't take organic chemistry, physics, and calculus, so I had to take those classes in the community college as while I was working full-time, just as prerequisites to get into the master's degree program in biology. So it took me a few extra years myself. So, but I did it.
But it's a great opportunity. Also, Irvine Valley College has the #1 transfer rate in the county to UC schools and Cal State schools.
So I have to tell you that Irvine Valley College was founded when I was first elected as a trustee. And so we founded the school. It's 100 acres in the middle of Irvine on the corner of Jeffrey Road and Irvine Center Drive. It's kind of hidden there, but it's beautiful, but it's hidden there. And so I was there from the very beginning and saw it grow.
I've seen pictures of you.
Yeah, that's right. They have various discipline pods where they have, the science pod, the humanities pod. They're very good at humanities. They're very good at biology. They transfer many students to UCI in biology. But they're the number one transfer program in the state, in the county, and in the state.
Wow.
#1 in the state. And Saddleback is close behind. They're different. Saddleback has a football team. Irvine Valley doesn't have a football team. So they each have their specialties.
Yes.
But Irvine Valley is very academic. It's really excellent.
And also, which is really great, is the paramedic program at Saddleback. Yeah,
we founded the paramedic program at Saddleback. We applied for it and founded it and got it. And now I go to their paramedic graduations. And it is the only public paramedic program in Orange County. And graduate very, very excellent paramedics. I had the paramedics come to my house for some reason. You go to the paramedic graduations, and the guys are all really handsome, and their wives are all beautiful, and they have these beautiful babies. So it's really every discipline is different, and they have different groups of students that kind of head for this. And the guys that go into paramedics really like the excitement. They want to help others. They want to be there when people are in danger, and they really and when we had paramedics come to our house, they were just wonderful, and I went to the graduation and I thanked them for being so wonderful.
Well, we're going to get to the emeritus programs in just a moment. Let's move on though, because graduation day just happened, and this was last week or last Friday for both colleges, and that's always, as you were saying, just a big, big event. And on here, it might be a little hard to see, but the statistics of how many different degree candidates and recipients there were, it's really amazing.
And as I said, I've never missed a commencement at either Saddleback College or Irvine Valley College, because it's like the culmination of everyone's work, of all the professors. And our professors do really good work. They really work with the students. They're really tops in their fields. And the students graduate with value added of their professions, their certificates, their knowledge that they learned. We have auto mechanics, we have horticulture, we have, if you look at the catalog, it's amazing. We have 3D printing, we have just incredible numbers. So at Saddleback, we awarded 5,333 degrees.
Wow.
And so that was really incredible, and to see all these students walk across the stage from as young as 17 or 16 years old to as old as, I think 62 is the oldest graduate.
Wow.
So it's really...
And IVC, the same thing, of course?
Yeah, IVC graduated 2,673 graduates.
Wow.
And it's a little younger, a little newer. So it's a little smaller than Saddleback, but it's starting to reach the size of Saddleback. And as I said, it's the #1 transfer school in the state, and Saddleback is like #5 in the state, which is incredible for a school so much larger and with so many different diversity of programs in it.
It's quite amazing. So let's get back and talk about the emeritus programs. And although classes started yesterday, people still have time if they want to. We got schedules here, by the way, to pick up the schedules to go online and figure out some classes they may like, and just go to those places, and then the instructor will help them, give them the course number and so on.
Yeah, very good. And I brought a stack of class schedules here, so that everyone can see. And I brought a stack of class schedules here so everyone can come and pick one up if they like. And only the Emeritus Institute at both Saddleback College and Irvine Valley College do we print up the class schedules. Every other discipline, they have to get it online. So you can see how we are very, very, very sincere about helping our Emeritus students make sure they can get into the classes. And and so the classes started yesterday. My first class was yesterday. My second class is today. I'm taking 2 classes.
Oh, you're taking
Yeah,
them.
yeah, I'm taking Spanish conversation, and I'm taking photography. And I'm taking these 2 classes because I'm taking a study abroad class to Costa Rica from Saddleback College, and it's a biology field studies class.
Wow.
And that's going to be at the end of July. So I'm taking photography and Spanish to get ready for this class. And I have to pay full price for these classes. I don't get a discount on any of these classes. But these classes, even though they're not in the Emeritus catalog, they're available to all the Emeritus students. And I understand 2 Emeritus students there's going to be 4 Emeritus students on this particular field studies trip.
So does that mean you're going down to Costa Rica?
Yeah, I'm going down to Costa Rica.
And this is all through the college?
Yeah, that's through the Saddleback College Biology Field Studies program.
Wow.
Yeah,
I mean, just amazing. You would never think that a community college would have something like that.
Yeah, we have
That's
wonderful
impressive.
study abroad. Actually, I've gone on the study abroad programs. I've gone to Spain, and I've gone to Cuba, and I've gone to Peru and Brazil.
Yeah.
And these are all study abroad programs, and as I said, I pay full price. And you could practice
I could
your
see you in
Spanish.
Cuba sitting back with a cigar and daiquiri.
Yeah,
right?
that was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed that a lot.
Well, just wonderful things. By the way, we'll have some of these up here that you brought, so I really appreciate it. And
oh yeah, I was going to say that.
Oh, yeah,
that
go ahead.
like as you mentioned, that even though the classes started yesterday, you can get into a class through the end of June. So what I did last night is I looked online so you go to saddleback.edu/emeritus,
Right.
or ibc.edu/emeritus, and you could see the class schedules online. And in every single class, it's kind of like incredible. It tells you how many seats are open, if there's a wait list, how many are on the wait list. So if a student wants to look through they could look through here, the class schedule, and find out the classes they want, and go online and find the open classes and see how many open seats there are. So I was looking at how many are on the wait list. So the longest list for the wait list for Saddleback College were some of our aerobic to music class.
Those are all,
Yeah, and the longest list for Irvine Valley College Emeritus class was their country line dancing classes. So I thought that was really interesting.
Well, you can still get a chance to look at these and get in touch with the instructor. Even if you go there, even though the class may be full, if you go there, a lot of times the instructor, maybe somebody didn't end up showing up, they get you in there.
Yeah.
Great people there, great trustees and staff at the colleges. Always a pleasure to see you.
Okay, thank you so much, Ken. I really appreciate being here.
Have fun in Costa Rica if I don't see you before then.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to that. It's one of my things on my bucket list was because I'm a biologist.
Yeah.
To do a biology field study, studying the ecosystem of Costa Rica is one of the things that was on my bucket list, and now I'm going.
Well,
so
next time you're here, take
excited.
some photos, bring some photos.
I'll bring some photos back. Okay, thank
All
you
right.
so much.
Take
Thank you
care.
so much.
Always good to see you.
Always good to
We'll
see
be right
you too.
back.
Thank you.